We have with us the stunning actress. She has millions of followers on social media. She is a professionally trained dancer and everyone loved her recent performance in Chhattis and Me. I'm talking about none other than Sandeepa Dutta. Thank you so much for joining us on India.com and Bollywood Live.
Thank you so much for having me, Saurabh.
Yeah. Okay. So, we are seeing back-to-back OTT stuff which you are doing right now. So, can we call you the OTT girl because you seems like getting a kick-ass response in OTT? What do you have to say?
Well, I'm really thankful and glad that I've gotten the opportunity to play some amazing roles. And through this pandemic has been a super busy time for me because I've just been shooting back to back. So, and luckily the work that's come out, people have liked it and liked my work in it, and it's given me the opportunity to showcase myself as an actor. I think for me that was really, really important. And I'm so glad that the OTT boom happened and I was at the right place at the right time.
Absolutely. So, for those who didn't watch Chhattis and Mania, can you tell our viewers about your character, about your film and other stuff?
Well, Chhattis or Maaf is a story that is set in a fictional town called Dhupur in UP. And
Okay.
it's about this girl called Maina, who she's basically the leader of a dance group. They're a traveling dance group. They go from, town to town performing during wedding seasons and, any events and stuff like that. And
Right.
her goal in life is to get to Patna somehow because she wants to become like a top Bhojpuri actress. That's her
Okay.
main goal in life. She's been dreaming about this since she was 16 or 17.
Right.
And this is her means of getting to Patna. Like she has to get about 1 million followers on social media, and she has to collect 50 lakh rupees through all her performances, and then she'll get to Patna and live her dream. And
All right.
during this process, she meets this boy in Dhupur called Chhatis, who is the local aspiring politician's son. And then what happens in her life, what happens to her goals, what happens to their love story is what the story is all about. Although it's a love story, there are some very, very extremely important and sensitive topics that are handled. There's talk about women empowerment. There is talk about women education. There's talk about homosexuality has been handled in a very sensitive manner. Then there's, of course, it's a story about this strong, independent girl um, who has to go through so many hurdles in order to achieve her goals.
Right.
And what happens to
Right.
her?
That looks excellent. And yes, I have seen a lot of Twitter response as well. They simply loved your performance over there. So it's great to see. Would you like to talk about any upcoming ventures? Are you shooting anything right now?
Right now, I'm not because we're in a lockdown. In the sense that no shooting is really allowed. So as of now, not shooting, but I am waiting for the shootings to resume so I can resume the work that is pending.
Right, right. And it seems like during this lockdown, you have really maintained on your fitness level, as we can see clearly. Uh, we have seen your boxing video and you are doing some amazing stuff there. And it looks like you are big time fitness freak. About your workout routine to maintain your body, would you like to give any sort of a bifurcation on what to eat and what not to eat?
I feel like it's very, very important to have like a balanced, healthy diet. I
Right,
don't think you should go. I'm very against all these crazy diets that people go on. Like people
right,
went keto in between, so they were off carbohydrates, and I don't know. Some people do some very crazy stuff, and I'm very, very anti all of those diets. I feel like eat everything in moderation. If you're trying to lose weight, then try and avoid eating after 6 or 7 o'clock and cut down on carbs a little bit. But other than that, just like don't deprive yourself of food because because I feel like fitness is a lifestyle. It's not a short term thing. So follow something
hmm,
that you can follow for a really long time because you can't follow no carbs for forever. No, you can follow
right.
it only for a bit. So yeah, that's my funda.
Yes, and the result we can see right now. Okay, Yoga Day is coming on 21st June. For those who are like sort of a yoga freak, would you like to give any sort of important tips, especially those who want to start as a beginner for yoga?
Yoga is something that changed my life very early on, and I'm very grateful that yoga came into my life very early on, because being a dancer, it was introduced into my life much
Right,
earlier. And it taught me correct breathing, and that has made so much of a difference that I can't begin to tell you. I
right,
feel yoga is something that everyone must do. It's nothing to do with that you want to lose weight or not lose weight. It's just for balance and for keeping yourself centered.
right,
It really calms your mind and stuff like that. And I feel if you're someone that says कि मेरे पास time नहीं है to work out, go to the gym, whatever, just do
right,
Surya Namaskars. I think Surya Namaskars are the best exercise in the world. Just do
right.
Surya Namaskar, do 10 of 3 sets, and you're sorted for life, because it's an overall. It works on overall of the body. It works on your mind. It works on your, of course, the physical being. I think
Hmm.
it's amazing.
Okay. So as like we can see, you still look like 20, but as we say, age is just a number. Do you have any special skincare tips for all the followers?
Drink lots of water. Eat healthy. Don't like the less is more, so don't put too much on your face. I think everyone's going crazy with creams and god knows what treatment and this and that. I feel like what works best for me is my grandmother's nuska. So I take besan from my kitchen. I take curd, milk, all these natural things. And luckily Indians
Okay.
are blessed with a lot of ayurvedic things, and
Right,
they work the best. So
right.
I have followed that for a really really long time. I don't do too much to my skin. I just let it
Right.
breathe. When I'm not shooting, I don't put any makeup. So yeah, I'm fuss free that way.
Okay, and like you are more passionate about dance than anything. Like we have seen all your videos on social media, and it goes viral. So it's about like connection between dance and fitness. Is dancing a good way to get in shape?
Of course, yeah. I think one of like how you complimented me about how I'm fit. I feel like a huge part reason for that is the fact that I've been dancing since a really long time, and I dance continuously. It's one of the best exercises one can do, and it's fun. It doesn't even feel like exercise. So if you are someone who gets very bored of workouts, like I am somebody who gets very bored of workouts very quickly. So
Right,
for somebody like that, I think you should probably do a Zumba class or just dance and sweat it all out. And it's more than anything, like you'll to lose weight for sure. It also
right.
makes you feel better. Like it makes you happier. It makes you less stressed. So it's
Okay.
good for your mental balance also.
Right, right. The response, the entire execution part is totally commendable because you're doing a great job in dancing, and we get to see a lot of viral video. It comes on our timeline. It's great to see that you are maintaining yourself, and on the other side, you are like right up sab jagah fail rahe ho. It's like that. So it's yeah. So it's a great thing to see. Okay, so the next question is, which is the best Bollywood dance to lose weight, according to you?
Any dance, yeah. I think Bollywood music is such nice. Makes you like it's very energetic. Bollywood in general is very energetic, and we as Indians are like, if you watch anybody in a shadi, in a barat, they are going mental, no? So anything which is high energy is great. Do lots of bhangra, do lots of
Right,
just dance to any Honey Singh Badshah song and you're sorted. Do half an hour of that and you'll never have to skip any meal and not eat carbs.
right, right. Absolutely. And in case like if I have some sort of a signature step, even I can do it by myself. Any sort of signature steps.
You are signature step while sitting on a Zoom call. I don't know. We should do
Right.
this. Anil Kapoor's signature step. 1, 2,
Yeah.
4.
So, like, how much time do you spend on dancing? Like in a week purpose, like in a week or a day, something like that, or every day you are doing dance stuff?
It depends. Yeah. See, when up till recently, before the pandemic, I used to also perform. I do this international musical called The West Side Story. So
Okay.
when that is happening, because that's been going on for 4 years. So because of that,
Right.
I have to rehearse every day. So I do
Okay.
2 hours every day. So
Okay.
up until the pandemic, because the pandemic happened, so obviously the musical, had to be put on hold.
Right.
Um, but before that, yeah, so I used to dance every day, 2 hours.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, there is a quick rapid fire round for you. Like, within a span of less time, you have to answer it. Okay. Madhuri Dixit in Dhak Dhak or Sridevi in Kaate Nahi Katte?
Madhuri any day. I've grown up watching Madhuri. I'm like her biggest fan ever.
Okay. Dancing or acting?
Dancing.
Anytime. Yeah. Bollywood thumkas or contemporary dance?
Oh, that's difficult. I like both, yeah. Why do I have to choose between the two? I like both.
We have to make it difficult for you.
We can't ask dancers to choose between dance forms.
Okay. Not a problem. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Okay. Yoga or gym?
yoga,
Instagram or YouTube?
Instagram,
Makeup or no makeup?
no makeup.
Nora or Jacqueline Fernandez?
Both are good, yeah. But what am I comparing for? Depends.
Dance, of course. It is relevant.
Oh,
Yeah.
dancer Nora.
Okay, great. Okay, so thank you so much for your precious time, and we wish you all the very best for upcoming venture. Whether it is OTT, big screen, really doesn't matter. But we would like to see you soon.
How sweet. Thanks a ton, Saurabh. It was fun
Thanks so
chatting.
much. Same here, same here. Thank you.